Hi everyone, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this short video I wanted to show you a new feature that we have just deployed for our logistics use case, which is called document type detector. And basically it's a new template that you can use already today that automatically detects the document type. If you send 5 files, it will tell you what is bill of lading, what is certificate of origin, and etc. etc. We'll also be deploying this document type detector templates for other use cases like HR, legal, and etc. But right now it's available for logistics and you can use it today. And to demonstrate you how it works, I created a small demo, which basically consists of an Airtable form. You can use a form in Dropbox and whatever way you receive documents from customers. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set testing, and we're gonna attach a bunch of files. Okay, so let's grab all these files. Okay, so now I will submit lots of files, and here is a small make scenario that I wanted to show you. And basically what happens here is that I have a webhook that is watching the form submission. Basically it's just a way to detect that new form has been submitted. There are different ways to do that. Now next thing, I need to get the Airtable record. So new form is a new record, and here I get the record ID from my webhook. And if you want to know how to set up webhooks in your Airtable, you can find this in our article. And also what's important is that you select a proper table. And then I use an iterator because I know that there are multiple files submitted. If it's in only one file, it still will be as an iteration because it will be iteration of 1. And I need to run it for this field inside Airtable because this is where the files are. And next step, I run for a URL for each URL here. For each URL, I run a Bitskout plugin and detect what it is. Our plugin output is a label. And then I write it to Airtable. As you can see here, I just write a file name and the document type label from Bitskout. And that's about it. So you can improve this scenario by, let's say, if you detect here, if you detect that it's a bill of lading, you move it to another table called bill of lading, and then you extract all this nice data. And you have a very powerful document set that you can search, look for, categorize, and do lots of other automations. But now we have just submitted our files, and I'm going to run this scenario, and what will happen is that it will be automatically detecting our documents and putting them here and telling us what it is. Based on what it is, we can define the next step. Okay, so let's see if it's really a declaration of dangerous goods. Yes. So that's the whole point of the of this automated detection, because then it can work with any types of files. It can work constantly 24/7 detecting what it is. And because you are in control what customer submits, you can ask in a form different, like for a shipment ID or for a customer code, like different other things, and connect those automations together, making your supply chain operations like 10 times more efficient. The good thing is this automation will take 1 hour to set up, works in different tools. In this example I'm showing Make, but you probably understand that it can work in different other tools. But yeah, and you can write it anywhere. In this case I'm writing to Airtable. Just as an example, I write it in Google Sheets. And yeah, so here we are. The template is ready to be used, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask, but go ahead and try it. If you need templates for your own use case, let's say if you're from HR and saw this video, how to detect documents, we are releasing step by step, but if you want to accelerate it, just write us an email and we'll just ask you what kind of documents you want to detect automatically, and that's about it. Okay, thanks a lot for your time, and I hope this was useful. Again, feel free to send any questions via form, via chat, or just contacting us via whatever channel you like. Thank you.